Hello, girls and boys. Good morning. How are you? I really hope you are all okay there at home. Come on, we can do it, eh? Okay. So, this presentation, this video is for you to help you understanding nutrients and how important they are in our daily life. Do you remember that last day we were talking about the five type of nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. And today we should have into more details at these nutrients. Okay. First, clicking on this link on the presentation. I just sent you this presentation for you to have a look at home. In this video, what we can see is the food pyramid and how important is to get a balanced diet in our daily life. Okay, this is the video. You can see clicking here on this link. Okay, but let's focus now into more deeply with all the nutrients. First, we start with carbohydrates, and here you see definition, what they are good, and how we can classify, how we can make a classification. Okay, here also we learn about proteins. These are sources of proteins and what do they do in our organism. Okay, obviously fat, and in this case focusing on healthy fats, vitamins, vitamins and minerals. We used to join these two groups together because they are very important, and they've got like similar functions. And obviously we also have to talk about the importance and the benefits of water in our body, in our organism. Okay, so I leave you this presentation for you to study and to keep on going with this science lesson at home. Okay, bye bye, see you.